And here we've got our Wellcraft coming in on approach. Is he going to go for the dock that has somebody on it already? That's a little bit of a strange choice. Maybe he's going to come back. Okay, there we go. I believe we're going to come back and hit the dock on the port-hand side. Looks like we got somebody in the bow. Lines on the ready. Let's go. Captain's first approach. Looking good so far. Our guy in the front needs to be holding on to something, though. One good brake check, and it could be over up there. So we're going to miss on the bow. He's bringing the stern around. Our line person in the back winds up missing with the first toss. Hesitant to go for a second toss for some reason. Easily should be able to get that toss now. Puts the hand on the dock even to try and keep the boat off. But they're just going to push off. I'm not sure. This would be an easy layup right here. Just a quick little toss on the line. You could pull the stern in. So we're going to miss on the first attempt. But welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Homestead Bayfront. Coming wide on this one. So you can see the wind and hear it a little bit. So, oh, be careful. He's heading toward the boat here. Now, this is one of those times where you want to make what I would call a wise choice. Based on the actions we're seeing, wind, current, everything, they want him on that starboard side dock. We need to go ahead and make a change over there, and he's doing it. Okay, I can see the guys moving the lines. Crew's moving to the starboard side of the vessel. Cap has determined that is probably the approach. And that's one of the best pieces of advice I can give anybody around a dock. When things aren't working and you can just feel everything's fighting against you, sometimes it's a little easier to not fight any of it and let it do its thing. So Cap's going to circle all the way back around on this one and try and line it up. Here you can hear the wind. It's just blowing pretty good today. And our guy sees the camera, so we are fully aware. We're on camera now. The pressure is on after that. So coming back in, this is an interesting approach though. We moved all the lines to the starboard side, but now he's coming in like, this doesn't look like a starboard approach. Cap and crew are holding. Maybe they're gonna wait for this boat in front of them to try and get off the dock and try and take that one. So here we go. Cat makes his turn. Gonna go on approach one more time. Let's see if we can get her landed this one. Coming in at a pretty good clip, actually. Trying to use some power, force his way in there. Brake checks, but he might have brake checked a little bit early. And he's backing out again. Just doesn't like something about the approach. Goes back into forward gear, it sounds like. I'm not sure, though. I feel like he's too close to the dock, and with the wind and current pushing like this, well, kind of turning to the port side a little bit, maybe he'll be able to get over there. Again, same as the first approach, Stern's on, bow's way off. Maybe the wind and current will push it back over. So our crew with the lines, they're ready to roll. But Cap's just a little bit off, and it goes for the light touch, gets the stern line on. And our kid's gonna slide under the bow rail, kind of a dangerous move. But he'll get off and on as well. I mean, I guess overall not too bad. Only 6 minutes later, and they're on the dock. But here comes our Hydro Sports. Let's see, our guy's gonna tackle it from the harder angle. It looks like he's gonna go port side landing, which is what our crew originally started with and struggled. Let's see if the Hydro Sports can show our captain how it's done. Looks pretty good on the approach, good speed, good angle. And this is the way to do it. Heavy bow in when that wind and current's pushing against you. Get the bow hooked up, bring the stern in second. And our crew absolutely kills it, no issue whatsoever. Well, this one's interesting as things got a little out of hand as this crew's trying to get the boat turned around. I guess Cap really just didn't want to back the boat out. So hands the line to Wifey. We're gonna try and get the bow pulled in. Get this one kind of facing the wrong way. I guess I shouldn't say the wrong way. I mean, he's going to be facing the way he wants to go when he's done, with the bow out when they go to leave. But just an interesting approach. They've gone through a whole lot of effort here on the dock to get this turned around versus just, I don't know, loading everybody up and throwing her in reverse and trying to back out. But this is their plan. It's going to work for them, and they will get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.